If you've ever wondered how to trim sounds seamlessly within the TikTok app, you're in the right place. The process is absolutely the same for both iOS or Android users, so if you are on your Android device and you want to trim the sounds, just follow my steps because they're the same. I'm going to open my TikTok application, and then let's start creating a new video. You're probably familiar with this, but you don't know how you can trim the sounds and add them to your TikTok videos. You can see that we have this Add Sound button at the top of our screen, and when we tap on that button, it's going to open our sound library with all of the different sounds and songs which we can add to our TikTok videos. I'm not going to play the songs in this video because of the copyright reasons, but I'll just show you how you can trim the sounds. For example, if I want to trim this specific song and add it to my video, I can click on it and a couple of buttons will appear when the song or sound starts playing. I'm going to tap on the little scissors icon and that's going to open the trimming tool. We can then swipe through the song and we can select a portion of the song which we want to use for our TikTok video. TikTok lets us choose up to 15 seconds of the song or sound, and you can just swipe through the song and select the part which you want. After this step, I'm going to tap on the Done button right here, and then I'm going to go back and go over to my TikTok camera. The song name will be at the top, and when I start recording my TikTok, that sound or song will play in the background, and we can share that TikTok with our friends and family members now. And that's essentially how you can trim sounds on TikTok.